crazy cat idea here. So I went to my local discount store and I picked up this closet pole. This thing's freaking heavy duty, man. It's a Stanley pole for $4.50. Heavy thing. Take my Walmart pads here, put this tube on there, set this whole thing up on my roof for my other rack. Just have to cut it down and see how it fits. Okay, so what I've done so far here is cut this down to size. What I've done so far is cut this down to size, and then I've drilled a hole on either end, put these carabiners in. This is actually looking at it upside down. I'll give you another look at it with it on top of the truck. Here's a cursory look at what's going on so far. I've cut the bar down. I've put it inside my foam pads. Now the foam pads are used. They would work better if they were new. They would form better to this. And then I've put my carabiner here so I can attach a bungee inside. All right, so there we are. I just attached to this little handrail here, these nice little cord bungees to this nice little carabiner over the top. Now mind you, this is not load bearing. This is just to hold it in place so I can put the canoe on top. Much easier than before. Alright, so there's what she looks like loaded. A little close to the top of the truck. I need some bigger foam blocks, I think, or to move a little farther forward. Maybe I'll put them on the front side. But it's working. Just a matter of adjustment now. Time to get to the lake. Okay, all I did was move those things forward about 6 inches. Huge difference on the front of the truck. They still hook to the same spot, and then, like I said, those are not to be tie downs. They're just to rest up there and hold this thing on. Looks pretty good. We've got the other part of the homemade rack right here too. Got the brush and treated 2x4s, a fence post, a couple of wooden oak dowels for support, some straps just in case, and boy, we're moving the canoe. Probably cut a few up there. Easy.